We got it. We got it. She's looking up at the camera. Olivia, you got to learn to share. You got to learn to share. See?
Here, baby girl.
You'll have much more fun, trust me, with somebody else.
Oh.
There's Nana. Thank you, Nana. Yeah. Say it's much more fun to share.
Olivia. Dave.
After he does that once, Debbie, he will learn.
Olivia.
I was very, you know what, it's my fault that I don't have a cuddler now because I was so vigilant about the whole, at 3 months, she sleeps in her own room.
What you two got?
See, no, and I was like, because I have to get my sleep for work. So I was bad, and then so now she doesn't ever want to cuddle.
Here comes great grandma. Say this is Laura's 2 great grandchildren.
I wore these pants when I sit down, you see.
I know it's
Say hi, great grandma. It's okay, Olivia. It's okay.
Oh no. She's so.
It's
How would you
okay.
do that for?
Huh?
Don't you want to get back in the pool, Olivia?
What'd you do that for, Edson?
Hi, Dave.
Hold that.
She was so content.
Oh, boo. You want that?
Were you on out? Oh, yeah.
See, I'm kind of tired. I didn't get my nap.